Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing the world around you with crystal clear vision. No more blurry spots or straining to read small text. No more frustration with headlights at night or avoiding your favorite hobbies because your eyes just can't keep up. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. In fact, some of the most powerful remedies for aging eyes are already sitting in your kitchen, ready to work while you sleep. And I'm about to reveal how you can harness the power of everyday foods to actually repair your eyesight. No expensive drops, no surgery, just simple, natural ingredients you may already have. If you've been struggling with aging eyes, you're not alone. Millions of older adults are quietly battling vision issues, things like blurry vision, night blindness, and constant dryness. The worst part, most of us think it's just part of getting older. But here's the truth, it doesn't have to be that way. I'm about to show you a game-changing secret that can not only protect your eyes, but actually start repairing them while you sleep. Stick with me, and you'll learn the simple, science-backed foods that can boost your vision without any expensive treatments or unnecessary prescriptions. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Tell me how old you are and where you're watching from. Let's get the list started. Walnuts. Walnuts might not be the first food that comes to mind when you think about eye health, but they should be. In fact, they're one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These healthy fats are crucial for your eye health because they support blood flow to the retina and optic nerve, both of which are vital for good vision. When you eat walnuts, you're helping your eyes in two ways. First, the omega-3s increase circulation to the retina, improving nutrient and oxygen delivery. This is key for keeping the eye tissues healthy. Second, walnuts contain compounds that fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation inside the eye can contribute to conditions like macular degeneration, which affects your central vision. Walnuts help to reduce inflammation, making them a powerful natural remedy for preserving your vision. But that's not all. Walnuts also have a special ability to protect nerve fibers in the eyes from oxidative damage. Oxidative stress is one of the leading causes of eye aging and vision loss, and walnuts act as a shield, preventing damage and helping to maintain the integrity of your eye structures. Pistachios. But wait, there's more. If walnuts are the silent protectors of the brain-eye connection, pistachios are the bodyguards of your retina. These small but mighty nuts are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful compounds that can protect your eyes from blue light exposure. Blue light isn't just coming from your phone, it's everywhere. From sunlight to screens, it's something your eyes deal with every day. While a little blue light exposure is normal, prolonged exposure can cause damage to the macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp vision. That's where pistachios come in. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as internal sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light before it can damage your retina. These compounds also help improve contrast sensitivity, reduce glare, and protect against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, the leading cause of vision loss in older adults. The best part? Your body can't make these compounds on its own, so you need to get them from food. And pistachios are one of the best natural sources. Brazil nuts. Now let's talk about Brazil nuts. These might not be a staple in every pantry, but they absolutely should be, especially if you're over 60. Brazil nuts are loaded with selenium, a mineral that's essential for your eye health. In fact, selenium acts like a firefighter in your body, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress that can harm your eyes. When it comes to eye health, chronic inflammation can cause problems like dry eye syndrome, blurred vision, and even early cataract formation. Selenium helps reduce this inflammation, keeping your eyes hydrated and protected from damage. What's even more amazing is that selenium helps reactivate vitamin E, another essential nutrient for eye health. Hazelnuts. Last but not least, we have hazelnuts. These tiny nuts are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the delicate tissues in your eyes from oxidative damage. Vitamin E helps keep the collagen in your eyes intact, preventing dryness and maintaining moisture, which is critical as you age. So there you have it, 4 incredible nuts that work together to support your eye health as you age. Walnuts for brain-eye connection, pistachios for retinal protection, Brazil nuts for inflammation reduction, and hazelnuts for moisture and collagen preservation. But here's the secret most people don't know. It's not just about what you eat, it's about when you eat it. Your eyes do most of their repair work while you sleep. So by incorporating these nuts into your evening routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to restore your vision overnight. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these nuts before? Or do you have your own tips for supporting eye health? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the smallest acts of care can make the biggest difference. Take care of your eyes tonight so they can take care of you tomorrow.